Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this video isn't to motivate you, isn't to guide you, isn't to judge you, or isn't to fix you. So what is this video about? So this video will sit together and we'll discuss certain issues that we usually face as we grow an adult. And we do not talk about these things honestly, like what? Depression, the social pressure or the social anxiety that we usually face in our day-to-day life. Now how to handle that pressure, or how to live in a certain way, or to have that perfection. So in this video we'll talk about these things. So this video is divided into 5 sections of 5 parts. So without any further delays, let's begin this video. So the first thing is the silent struggle of adulthood. So as an adult we have a lot of expectations, like if you're an adult you should be able to handle these things like the bills, the expectations, the social pressure, the comparison, the family roles. And but as the anxiety in adults often looks like the constantly overthinking, feeling tired even after resting too much, irritation in small things, fear of falling behind, and smiling in public but break down in private. So depression always does not scream, sometimes it whispers, I don't feel like myself anymore. हम हमेशा कहते रहते हैं. So as an adult, as we grow as an adult, people usually say कि you should be able to handle these things, you should become strong. But our immune system may become strong when we grow as an adult, but the emotional pain, it does not as we grow as an adult, it does not make our immune system to bear that emotional pain. It only makes us better in hiding that pain. So we should always share our so we should always share our pain with our near and dear ones or with our parents, so that हमारे दिल में हमको थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का महसूस होए. Now the section 2 or the part 2 is the productivity culture and the emotional burnout. So we live in a world that glorifies hustle, overworking, and the constant improvement. If you rest you feel guilty, but if you slow down yourself you feel that you are left behind. Constant productivity without emotional care leads to burnout, not the success. You are not a machine, you are a nervous system. Nervous system needs safety, rest, and the emotional expression, not a constant pressure on yourself. The section 3 or the point 3 is unrealistic beauty standards or the adult insecurity. So we are told that beauty pressure is only on teenage issue, but it is not a teenage issue. It's not. Adults also compare themselves to body, the skin, their weight, their hair, or the color. So social media sells perfection, perfect face, perfect body, perfect relationship, or the perfect life. But what we don't see is the filter, is the editing behind it, is the cosmetic procedures, the privilege, the genetics, or the carefully selected that moments. And yet we judge our real selves against that manufactured standards. So the comparison slowly turns into self-criticism. Now the fourth point is the adult shift. Body as home, not as an enemy. So now हम हमेशा सोचते हैं, is my body attractive enough? Now from thinking that is my body attractive enough, we should think, is my body supported, is my body respected, or is my body cared of enough? Your bodies carry stress, it heals wound, it shows up every day, so it deserves kindness, not the punishment. So you should not judge your body. Your body is to live in. Now the section 5 or the point 5 is the emotional maturity. It does not mean you will never feel anxious, you will never feel insecure, or you will never struggle with yourself. It means that you stop body shaming yourself, or you stop shaming yourself or for your feelings. You listen your feelings instead of suppressing them, instead of that you listen instead of suppressing. You ask for help whenever you need. So I am not okay, that's all right. That's all right to tell to anyone that I am not okay, I'm not feeling good today, because every day is not a good day. Some days are bad days, some days are shit days, and you have to tell it to others. Feeling is always not linear. Some days you will feel strong, some days you will feel that let's just survive. So both count. Now the section 6 or the point 6, letting go of comparison. So comparison secretly or silently steals your joys. You do not need to be ahead of everyone. You do not need to be better than others, or you do not have to be perfect to be worthy. Life is not a race, it's a personal experiences. Someone else's success does not reduce your value, and someone else's beauty does not erase yours. So if you're watching this and quietly struggling, hear this. You are not weak, you are not broken, you're not failing as an adulthood, you are learning how to live. take breaks, unfollow what harms your peace, speak kindly to yourself, ask for help whenever you need the help. A good life is not a perfect life, it's an honest one. So if this video made you feel understood, you are welcomed here. Like, share and comment if you feel safe too. And if you want such real conversations, then subscribe and stay and take care of yourself. You matter even on days you do not feel like it. Thank you so much.